Welcome to Mohinder's kitchen. Guys, let's make Paneer Biryani. It's very easy to make. Let's start it. So good. Let's start it. 2 to 3 spoons of oil. We're gonna do shallow fry. Guys, the paneer recipe is on my YouTube channel. You can see if you guys need. Salt to taste. Red chili powder. It's been 2 minutes. Time to flip. Paneer is ready, take it out. Two to 3 spoons of butter. Star anise, 2 black cardamom. 2 to 3 bay leaf, 1 to 2 cloves, red onion, half spoon cumin seed, 2 to 3 ounces of peas, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, quarter spoon of turmeric, quarter spoon of red chili powder, quarter spoon of fenugreek, 3 to 4 green chili. We're gonna cook now 2 to 3 minutes. Half spoon cumin seed powder, 10 to 12 cashews, 10 to 12 raisins, one and a half glass of rice. Guys, I already washed my rice. Two and a half glass of water. Time to add paneer. Cover for 10 minutes. Guys, let's check it. All right, 2 more minutes. It's gonna be ready. It's ready. Turn off the heat. Clarify butter. Fried onion. Cilantro on the top. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe and like my channel, Mohinder's Kitchen. Enjoy.